This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gabrielle Charity. Spacious villa with lovely lake views in the highly sought-after, maintenance-free Crestwood Villas Community. Sizable kitchen with bar window connecting to dining area, white executive kitchens, cabinets and granite counters. Very open living room with vaulted ceilings, sliders into large Florida room with gorgeous lake views. Generously sized owner's suite with his and hers walk-in closets and ensuite bathroom. Second bedroom and bathroom can be used as a very private guest suite. Ample storage and inside laundry room. 2-car garage with lots of cabinets. The community pool is only a short stroll away. Perfect as a seasonal or all-year residence in a very convenient location to most Sarasota amenities and easy access to I-75. Very close to the 50-acre Urfer Family Park, offering nature trails, boardwalk, bike path, playgrounds. Very quiet and peaceful. Make this villa your home in Sarasota Paradise. For more information, review the details below or contact Gabrielle Charity at 941-685-6649.